Welcome to this tutorial on assigning predefined tags for your stock adjustment feature. This feature is essential for maintaining accurate inventory levels, especially when dealing with discrepancies or unexpected inventory movements. Common reasons for stock adjustments can be wastage, losses due to spoilage, breakage, or other factors, damages, items that are damaged or defective, offcuts, leftover materials from production processes, donations, items given away or donated, expired inventory, products that have passed their expiration date. First, log into your Unity Enterprise account using your unique username and password. Next, navigate to the Organization section and select Tags. Navigate to the Stock Adjustment Tag section. Click the Add or New button to create a new tag. Provide a clear and descriptive name for the tag, for example, damaged goods, expired items, product recall, or spillage. Click Save to finalize the creation of the new stock adjustment tag. This tag will now be available for selection for the stock adjustment template.